How to get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove someone from your best friend list on the Snapchat app. Now, if you open up Snapchat app, you'll get an interface like this. Now head into your profile by tapping on the profile or Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen. And here if you scroll down below and head into my friends option here, you'll be able to see your best friends here. However, if you tap and hold on the username, you'll get the various options to manage friendships and sorts, but you won't get the option to remove them from your best friend list. It's because there is no way you can remove them from best friend list. Now best friends are set depending on the interactions you make with a particular user, and Snapchat verifies it with the algorithm and sets them as your best friend. Now to remove them from your best friend list, there is only a way. What you want to do is tap and hold on the username and you'll get the option to manage friendship. You can either block them or you can either remove them from your friend list, and only then they'll be removed from your friend list. Or what you want to do is stop interacting with them. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.